behind the act of listening, there is often a curiosity, a desire, a doubt, an interest, and there is always emotion. What is your curiosity when you listen? How often do you take that pause? You cannot be indifferent to what you listen to, as it is not in the children's best interest.
Children are naturally curious, and by harnessing children's natural curiosity, we are aiming to create a collection of sounds that the children have discovered as they are engaged in play and explore the natural world around them.
It has become apparent that children are capable of discovering new ways of learning and have ultimately created new languages as they have expressed their 100 languages through visual notations, experimental music, and the creation of sounds within nature.
So I want you to just imagine. So if you can imagine a place where you found friendship, a place where you found refuge, or perhaps felt the thrill or the adventure of overseeing your own domain. You were completely in control of what you were doing. How did this place come to be? Did you intentionally seek it out? Did you transform an existing space into a personal hideaway spot? How did this make you feel?
We need to create that safe space for our children to experiment and try and fail, and that comes from modelling. The ideas that stick, those ones that stay around for longer than 24 hours, those are the ones worth pursuing.
One of the things that's beautiful about working with children's ideas and thinking and theories is the way that they beautifully bring things together and intertwine things that we as adults have somehow lost the ability to be able to connect.
So is the sector without a profit motive a fantasy, an opportunity, or should it be reality? And what's our role?
So let's take the opportunities to build strong relationships together with the Indigenous peoples in our world. Learn of others' language, culture and identity, and celebrate these together.
Look at it again and look at our curriculums, and we put culture in the centre. The words around culture will change the whole view of curriculum.
We can connect with the motivation of the artist and the story and the experience of the artist that opens up a lot, and not just for us but for young children as well.
By those connections you had with your colleagues, but also the way that you're talking about your practice.
I'm deeply interested in this idea of collaboration and the opportunity that it can afford teams to innovate, advocate and stand firm in reframing and engaging practices in early childhood that really do make a difference to children and families, but also to the way we as professionals show up. I think it's at the heart of showing up with purpose every day, bringing joy to our work and having professional companionship with each other.